Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Nurul Riazi and this is your mathematics teacher Nuruddin Qureshi. And today our topic is about integers and its types. So let's start with the basic definition of the integers. So integers are the complete numbers as we have already discussed in our video related to classification of numbers, and it is denoted by z, and z static means all the integers except 0. So on the number line, our integers are given as starting from negative infinity, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes to positive infinity. As you can see that it includes all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers, and 0, which is neutral. So if we want to go into the subcategories of integers, so these all are integers. And if we ignore all the negative number from integers, then we will be left with whole numbers. So whole numbers are the complete numbers starting from 0 and all the positive numbers. And if we exempt 0 from the whole numbers, then we will be left with natural numbers. So these are the subcategories of integers. Now let's dive into the types of integers. So starting with even numbers. So even numbers are the integers which are divisible by 2. So it starts again with the negative infinity, then minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and it goes to positive infinity. As you can see that these all numbers are divisible by 2, or you can say these all numbers are multiple of 2. So as a general function of even numbers, it can be given as 2n, where n belongs to all the integers. Then we have odd numbers. Odd numbers are the integers which are not divisible by 2. So again, these numbers start from negative infinity, then minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, then 1, 3, 5, and it goes to positive infinity. And its function is represented as 2n plus 1, again where n is integer. Now, if we want to go into the number operations for even and the odd numbers, so let's start for the addition and subtraction. So even plus even is even, or even minus even is even. For example, 6 plus 4 both are even numbers, so their addition is 10, which is also an even number. And similarly, 6 minus 4 both are again even numbers, and their difference is 2, which is also an even number. Then even plus odd is odd, or even minus odd is odd. So as an example, 4 plus 3, 4 is even, 3 is odd, we'll get 7, which is an odd number. And 4 minus 3, where 4 is even, 3 is odd, it is equal to 1, which is an odd number. Then we have odd plus odd, or odd minus odd, which is even. So for example, 7 plus 3 both are odd and their sum is 10, which is even. And 7 minus 3 again both are odd and their difference is 4, which is even. Now the number of operations related to multiplication. So even into even is always even. So 6 into 4 is 24. Both are even and their resultant is also even. And even into odd is also even. For example, 4 into 3, 4 is an even number, 3 is an odd number, and their product is 12, which is an even number. And then odd into odd is odd. So 7 into 3, both are odd, is equals to 21. Again, it is an odd number. As you can see that we can generalize all the number operations, arithmetic operations for addition, subtraction, or multiplication, but we cannot generalize them for division. Let's move on to further classification of integers. We have prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which have exactly two factors. One is 1 and the other is itself. So the number can be divided by 1 or itself only. And one thing which we have to keep in mind is that these numbers are only positive integers. That means natural numbers. So starting from 1, 1 has only one factor, which is 1. So according to our definition, we should have exactly two factors. So 1 cannot be a prime number. Then 2, 2 has two factors, 2 and 1. Then 3, again 3 has two factors, 3 and 1. Then 4 has two factors, 1, 2, and 4. So according to our definition, it can't be prime. Then 5 and 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now one thing which you will observe that here 2 is the smallest prime number and also 2 is the only even prime number. As you can see that as long as we have extended our sequence of prime numbers, apart from 2, we cannot see any even number. So 2 is the only even prime number. Then we have composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. So again, these are positive integers. That means these are natural numbers, and these start with 4. Then 5 is a prime number. 6 has more than two factors. Then it goes to 8, 9, 10, and so on. So these were the basic type of the integers. I hope you liked our video. If yes, then do like and share our video. And if you like the concept of our channel, then do subscribe. So see you in the next video.